Menteri rangba ka jela u Konrad ke sangma la banjur halor ka jingdonkam ban penya syakmat ya ka organic mission na ka benta ban kyntiew ya ka rukam rem ka ba khlem pyndonkam dawai da ka jingatri lang jong baro ki kinhun ki badan benta ya ka ne ulapan pa ho bakran ha ka sngikun jong ka first Northeast India Organic Week kam buyer seller meet but ka fourth Organic Youth Summit kabalalong ha ka shitarik no pra ha courtyard Marriott Shlong. U Konrad ulaong bagi program ki policy bat ki matrekam jong ka sorkar ki long ki bapelet jingmut ban yaram bat kyntiew ki nong rap ka jela bat ba ka ni ka jingalang ringkat bat ka jingtmu ban yo jinghikai banya sam bat yarap ki nong rem kandange beteng shu hadin jong ka ni ka jingalang ka balai sngi kenti ki nong rap ki dei ka benta ka bakong san jong ki policy trekam jongi bat ki mission bat program ba per jongi ha ka rap karyang bat ki benta ki badan jinga dei ka long ban kershan bat a jingarap ya ki ulaong. Halor ka organic mission jong ka jela umentri rangba ulaong bag kintien khlem pyndonkam dawai kam dei tang ka basyukran Henry ka dei ka badan ya ka jinga dei bat ka jing shampang jong ki nong rap ha ka jela jongi nadu ki por jong ki patemen ki balarap da ki spa asnam bat ki bala penne pensa ya ka ni ka rukam ram hadu kini ki sngi ki bamenta. Hadian kani umentri rangba ulai shimbentaru ha ka jingamir jingmut bat kinong mikman na ki weipat kiri ki bala keli halor ke jingtmu jong ka jela ka jing pyndonkam ya ka teknologi ka jing kershan bat ki wei na ka benta ki samla nong sengkam sengjam. Ha ka ni ka sngi la pen urlong bat pelat pat ba ya ka organic Meghalaya compendium bat ya ka website Meghalaya. Ki weipat ki bala ajing keren ha ka ni ka sngi ki kentup ya ka Vinita Sudhanshu, General Manager APEDA, ka Jennifer Chang, Executive Director IFOAM Asia, kong Isa Wanda Lalu, Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare na luar Kiwaipan.
It's about our farmers, it's about our forefathers, it's about our traditions. It's about how our people used to farm and have been farming for centuries. And whereas there have been technologies and scientific studies being done on how to increase production in other parts of the world, as was mentioned by Isa, our people did not get hooked onto that. Somehow we missed it out, we were left out. Whatever happened, we didn't become part of it. But looking back, maybe it was a blessing in disguise. And we kept on with our traditions. So therefore, number one, it's about our traditions and about our culture. It's about our farmers, but it's about our tradition and our culture, the way we farm, what we used to grow, how our forefathers used to grow. So really, it's about celebrating that. Being proud of who we are, what we are, our culture, and now being able to share this culture, share this practice with the rest of the world, and to show to them how our forefathers and our cultures knew what a lot of scientists maybe did not know or did not realize. Today, organic farming, natural farming are buzzwords. But these are practices which have been there in many parts of the Northeast region. So I'm not saying Meghalaya alone. I'm telling the whole of Northeast. There is huge knowledge that is waiting to be shared with the rest of the world. And so this entire process of having this organic mission is part of that process to share this knowledge, this tradition, this culture of ours with the rest of the world. And while we do that, we are able to help our farmers. And while we do that, obviously it's going to have a huge impact on the overall health of our society, of our state, of our country, of our world. And of course, I'm sure that is also a very, very important part of your mission that you are here for.